Hi everyone, in this video I will tell you how to enable disable swatch style for out of stock product using Woodmart theme. So go to product attributes, edit the attribute where you want to enable disable swatch style for out of stock product, edit it, and in the swatch setting here you can choose the disable swatch style. There are the three styles. You can choose anyone you want and choose the swatch size, swatch style, etc. and update it. Here if I refresh the page, here you can see nothing changed. It means the swatch style is not working. In Woodmart, swatch style will not work for out of stock product, so you need to edit the product. In the edit product screen, open the variation, and here you can see this product is out of stock, but disable swatch style is not working. So you need to uncheck this enabled option. When you will uncheck this and save the changes, then update the product, and refresh the page. Here you can see disable swatch style is working. So you do not need to uncheck this option for every time. So in the variation settings, keep it enabled, okay, and save the changes. Option is checked, but it is out of stock. In this case, the disable swatch style will not work. In this case, go to WooCommerce settings, here you can see disable swatch style is not working. Open the product settings, WooCommerce settings, open the product tabs, click on inventory settings. Here you can see hide out of stock product from catalog. Check this. If you will check this option, the disable swatch style will work for out of stock product. In this case, the out of stock product will not show on the shop page also. If I refresh the page, here you can see the disable swatch style is working, but it will hide the out of stock product from your shop page. This will hide the product from shop page. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my YouTube channel.